I'm here with celebrity stylist extraordinaire, Derek. We're here to talk about one of the things that is so close to my heart, texture. So, Derek, tell us a little bit about your approach to doing an install when you have someone who has a different texture than the hair that you're going to put in.
Well, everything starts with an amazing shampoo at the bowl, actually. So you want to make sure you get that hair very clean. You don't want any residue, any type of debris on the hair. So we cleanse the hair with a nice clarifying shampoo first.
Okay.
We go in with a moisturizing shampoo, especially because she has color. Curly hair has a tendency to be extra dry, so we want to get some of that moisture from the color shampoo. And then also after that, we go in with a conditioner. Now, sometimes certain conditioners, they leave a residue on the hair, so we don't want that, especially when you're gonna be installing extensions. So the next thing we're gonna do is do a final shampoo of clarifying shampoo.
Okay.
Just to get off that excess that is left behind with the conditioner.
Okay, I love that. And I feel like so few stylists understand that.
Yes.
That to really allow the natural shine to,
And that's how you incorporate body into the hair. So we want to keep going with the flow of what Covet and Main stands for. So we want to keep that body and that shine. So definitely making sure that you don't have any excess debris and oils in the hair is important.
Okay. Now, we talk here at Covet and Main, we're really a believer of, once you get the hair blown out, and you're ready for the install, everything else kind of flows the same. There's a little bit of difference, but I really think for a lot of people who are new to natural hair, kind of breaking it down. And so we've done it in 6 parts. And can you kind of just walk us through why and how that helps when you're preparing for the blowout?
Well, this helps so that you can manage your sections, so that when you're blow drying, you can sort of get all of that extra hair out the way, and you can make sure that you get it straight at the root. A lot of times, if you take too big of a section, you won't get the amount of smoothness that you want. So it's very important when you're doing the install that you have it smooth, so that when you're putting on the beads.
So I love what you're saying about now we have our clean foundation. We've broken it into 6 different sections. And then when we, kind of explain to me how you have the sections or the, what is the philosophy?
So we did small buns, or knots rather, so that it would make sure that it would keep the moisture, because curly hair sometimes takes a while to dry to get through. Sometimes it can get very dry very quick. So we want to make sure that that moisture locks in there and that the ends don't be exposed to all of the heat that we're blowing out.
Now, one additional question I have is, do you find that color-treated natural hair is a little bit more, goes dry faster?
Yes, it is, definitely because of the chemical process. It's a whole lot more porous, so it just, goes very dry very quickly.
Okay.
So that's very important to make sure that you keep the ends contained.
Okay, Derek, walk me through what's the perfect canvas when you're done with your blowout?
Okay, so the perfect canvas, I also want to iterate is to make sure when you're blow drying, you do use a heat protectant, because with curly girls, they definitely want to make sure that their curls are still intact. So we don't want to go too extra with the heat. So my perfect blow dry is also not getting too straight. You want to keep some of that body. You want to have some of that to be a great foundation for a great hairstyle. So your main purpose with this blowout right before doing your installation is just getting smoothness, that at least that you can lay everything flat, but you're not trying to do bone straight.